spotless. Economy smart. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then how many words is this unblemished 2010 Ford Focus worth? You can tell the previous owner babied this Focus and made sure to take perfect care of it. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2010 Focus 4.5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality design. Don't close the deal till sunset.